Welcome back, viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of HTML tables. Tables are a powerful way to organize and present data on web pages. So, let's get started. Here's an example of how to create a basic HTML table. In this example, we have created a simple employee directory using an HTML table. Let's break it down. We start by using the table tag to create the table itself. Inside the table, we have rows defined by the tr tag. For the first row, we use the th tag to define table headers. These headers provide labels for each column. In the subsequent rows, we use the td tag to define table cells. These cells contain the actual data for each employee. With just a few tags, we can create a well-structured table that neatly presents information on our web page. That wraps up our exploration of HTML tables. Remember, tables are a valuable tool for organizing and presenting data on your web pages. Thanks for joining us today, and happy coding!